Hello everyone. Are you having trouble with your Cash App not receiving money? You're in the right. In today's guide, we're diving into how to fix Cash App not receiving money. Whether you're waiting for a long overdue payment or just puzzled by a sudden issue, we'll help you get to the bottom of it with a few simple steps. Let's get started to ensure your transactions are smooth and uninterrupted. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, a stable internet connection is crucial for Cash App transactions. Ensure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or has a reliable mobile data connection. Without this, the app may not function correctly. If your connection is unstable, try resetting your router or switching to a different connection. This could be the simple fix needed to resolve the issue of not receiving money. Step 2. Verify your account. One common reason for not receiving money is incorrect account detail. Open your Cash App and verify that your linked bank account and card details are up to date and accurate. Check for any typos, expired cards, or necessary updates. If someone has sent you money, double check that they have sent it to the correct account or phone number to prevent any hiccups. Step 3. Address payment pending issues. Sometimes payments can be marked as pending, meaning they haven't been processed yet. Navigate to your Cash App activity to see if any transactions are pending. Pending payments might require additional verification steps. Follow the prompts on your app to address these, which might involve confirming your identity or providing additional information. This could move the transaction along and solve your receiving issue. Step 4. Update the Cash App. Like all apps, keeping Cash App updated ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes. Head over to your device's app store and check for any available updates. An outdated app can lead to bugs and functionality issues, including problems with receiving money. By keeping your app current, you'll reduce the risk of encountering preventable issues. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If all else fails and you're still facing issues, it's time to contact Cash App support. Navigate to the Cash App support section in the app itself or visit their website for more information. The support team can help diagnose the problem specific to your account and provide tailored solutions. Don't hesitate to reach out. They are there to assist problems such as these. Having your Cash App not receiving money can be frustrating. With these steps, you'll hopefully find a solution to get things back on track. Always ensure you have a stable internet connection, verify your account details, address pending payments, and keep your app updated. If you're still facing trouble, reaching out to Cash App support is your best bet. By following these guidelines on how to fix Cash App not receiving money, you can ensure smoother transactions and enjoy the convenience of this popular digital payment platform. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and happy transacting.